Mm-hmm.
How about this? A mind-bending optical illusion. Okay, scroll down real quick. Will just scroll down past the headline. Just show the image full screen. Okay. Mo, can you spot what's going on here? Oh, you already did.
Yeah.
You already
I already
know.
read the
You
title.
solved it.
No, I'm just saying.
Did you solve it?
Did you solve it?
I think I see where it's going on. Yeah.
So what's going on?
I think that. Oh, I don't know what's going on, but I see the third person from the left. You can't see their legs.
Yeah. So
Okay, so
it's an optical illusion. Will, you feel the need to explain this to people?
for the audio listeners.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's an optical illusion, and there's 6 women sitting in kind of tight to one another. It looks like a bar or someone's basement that's made to look like a bar.
Right.
And you can easily see the 6 women, but you only see 5 sets of legs. And the reason it's an optical illusion, Mo, is because the legs that are missing are not the third girls. It's the second girls.
Second from the left?
Yes. The third girl's legs, she shifted, so her hips are to the side.
Oh.
The third girl, sorry.
Yeah.
Those are her legs in the jeans.
Oh, wow. Okay. So she's
Oh,
like
okay.
this.
So yeah,
There you
She's
go.
like one of these.
There you go.
her hips are like
Okay, but then where are her legs?
Her legs are the ones that are missing, and they're hidden behind the girl on the far left because her legs are much closer to camera.
Oh, okay.
So there's enough space there, but
You sure that she's not a ghost?
you can't. I mean, it might be like there might be more to the story.
All right.
But I showed this. Everybody I showed this to in my house said the same thing you just said.
Wow.
Well, the third girl has no legs, but she does.
I like this drawing that someone's done.
Color coordinated.
Yeah, that's
They're helping
amazing.
you. They're helping you out, man.
Yeah.
They're like, you don't
That's
see it
cool.
yet. And here's a neon.
Oh, it looks like you can see a little bit of the blue.
A little tiny
Yeah.
bit. Yeah, a little tiny bit. But it's crazy how your brain instantaneously thinks you've got it. You're
Yeah.
like third person,
Figured it out.
no
Move on.
legs. Like you look at the important details.
Look at this one.
Yeah,
There's 4 bottles.
my
and 4
brain
hands.
refuses to believe there are 4 people in this photo.
The camo has finally worked.
Wow.
I heard that joke recently where you're wearing camo and
Yeah.
like, oh, I can't see you.
Yeah, where are you?
Yeah.
Finally.
Who's talking right now? Can't be
Cool.
you. Yeah.